All right. You need to measure. Do you have soft tape in here? Measure across. You're gonna want to take your tape off because we're not gonna turn any of this in with tape on it. Oh, I am demoing on your stuff, sorry. I'm not gonna actually drill though. Does that make you feel better? That's because you're a nurse right now. Alright, so we're gonna measure across. Okay. We're at about 1.8 centimeters. So if I split that in half, what am I gonna be at? 1.9? Half of 1.8?
No, I was thinking of this.
0.9, okay? When we're making holes in the sidebars in any of the metal and any of the aluminum, even in the braces that we make if we're doing plastic, you're trying to get everything to be equidistant, okay? But what I mean by that is we need this hole that we're gonna drill here to be the same distance from both sides as it is in the middle of that hole, okay? And we're gonna put 2. So, we're gonna mark this, we're gonna line it up as best as we can. I'm gonna create a mark right here. I'm gonna follow that mark all the way around this front section, okay? So, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a line here, or a dot actually, at 0.9, and a dot down here at 0.9. Why would I make 2 of these?
2 holes.
You said 2 holes. What did somebody else say?
To connect them to make a line.
2 dots make a line, right? You connect, okay? So, I'm gonna take a straight edge. We're gonna pretend this is a straight edge. You guys will go get a triangle or some form of straight edge. Trace a line down there. The reason that's important is because if we're gonna be equidistant this way, or this way, we also have to be equidistant the other way. So we have to go 0.9 up from the bottom and 0.9 down from here. Those will give us our 2 holes. So if I take this, we're gonna mark right here. So now I have a cross point. And then here's another one. We're gonna mark right here. I have 2 X's where that hole, those holes need to go. Next step. Yes.
So we're not dividing equidistance that line
No.
on 3.
Nope. We want it
Equal.
0.9, 0.9, 0.9.
Okay.
Okay. Next thing you're gonna do.
One quick question.
Yes.
So like between the 2.
Punch right in the middle of where that hole is. Okay. Hit it with a hammer. That's gonna give you a little bit of an indentation. You then are going to line up with the number 12 copper rivets we have over there. That's what you're gonna use. You're gonna line up whatever size drill bit. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Line it up, find the right size drill bit, and drill your hole through. Okay? You're gonna do that on all of your sidebars. Okay? Then what you're gonna do is 1 by 1. You don't go and then drill 4 holes or 2 holes on each of the bands. You do it 1 by 1. So you'll pick this up, you'll mark it. You can put a scratch awl through there and try to mark it if you want to, but you want to make sure these are lined up 1 by 1. Okay? We don't ever, you can drill all the holes on the sidebars. You don't ever drill all the holes on these right away because you're going to have it where they don't line up. You're never going to match them perfectly. So if you get 1 done, you can drill that and rivet it, okay? And then you can take this whole piece over and drill straight through the hole you've already created into this. Does that make sense?
Once
Yes?
you get that first rivet and it's a hold it in place.
Yep.
So you don't want us to measure? Those-
No, you don't have to measure the band.
Okay.
No.
So we're not fully setting that rivet then, so it can still turn? Or even if it's fully set, it'll still turn?
You can just put the rivet through there.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Put the rivet through there and then you can line this up and then
Just
drill
to
your
help you
second
line
hole.
it.
Yep.
Okay.
And obviously I'm gonna be here if there are questions that you have as you go through it.
And the bands go on the inside of those?
Bands go on the inside of sidebars.
Okay.
Yep. When you guys make this as a whole device, we'll put leather through here, we'll put leather on the outside, so you won't even see where this meets up because there's gonna be a leather covering on it, but that'll be next semester. Any other questions?
So drill the hole on the sidebar and then,
Drill your holes on the sidebar first, and you can drill all of them, and then 1 by 1 drill them on the bands.
So you like take the hole and mark through the
Mhm.
hole? Okay,
Yep.
okay.
Yep. Is to make sure that the rivets that you're putting in there are equidistant from all of the sides.